What's going on, everyone? Happy Sunday. So what we're going to be looking at is SPY. And if you're interested in learning or want to trade options, definitely join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. But let's talk about these SPY options. Let's see what's the best prices to trade. Are we looking long? Are we looking short? Now, when it comes to the SPY here, one thing that I didn't like, along with the rest of the overall market, that last hour of the day on Friday, that aggressive rally that we had from the bottom kind of really screwed up a ton of charts. And I'm just going to call it how it is. Anytime you're in a bear market, you're going to get aggressive bounces. Now, that's completely fine. There is, opportunities to make money on those bounces. But what it did to the daily charts on a lot of stocks and ETFs is it screwed up the charts. I would have rather have stayed down here at the bottom of the range where you can see this wick from Friday. If we would have stayed at the bottom of the range here and closed somewhere, closer to this lower Bollinger Band or somewhere to the price of 380, what I would be looking for would be very, very simple come Monday. I would be looking for any sort of pop or any sort of green open, any sort of, little gap open, any sort of rally right off the bell. I would look for that to get stuffed, and then I would look for it to kind of roll over. And then as soon as it started to roll over and lose $380, that's an easy short position. I'm going to take that trade 10 times out of 10 times every single time, whether it be for a scalp or a day trade. It all depends on, how much the momentum is kind of flowing for that day, but it was an easy play. What that rally did towards the end of the day is it put us right in the middle of the range between a supply and a demand zone. So what is our supply zone? Our supply zone is going to be the 5 and 10 day moving average. You can see the top wick. It's also correlating with that price of around $396.95. As of right now, that is almost $7 away from where we closed. We closed at 389. Now, what is the area we're looking to short? $380. So that's about $9 down. So you can see we're giving ourselves 6 points to the upside, 8 points, 9 points to the downside, stuck in the middle of no man's land. It's going to be a very, very tough trading day for Monday. I'm just going to be completely honest. You're going to see some green, you're going to see some red, nothing's going to hold. Things are going to look like they're going to break down, then they look like they're going to break up. Traders, newer traders are going to get their asses chopped around on Monday. Excuse my French, but it is what it is. Unless we get some sort of continuation or momentum, serious momentum, and a break of one of these levels, I'm going to look to stay out of SPY options until it gets over 396.95, 397. Then I'm going to look to take calls because that's going to be a big spot that you're going to have room into 407. Now to the downside, I'm going to need it to kind of wash out through the 380. And as soon as we lose the $380 level, that's an easy short position for me. If you guys are interested in learning how to trade options more consistently, definitely visit my website at evolutiontraders.com, become a lifetime member. Also join that Discord so you can get around other like-minded traders and kind of bounce your ideas off of them. With that being said, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.